Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about the inventions of Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci was born in Italy in the 15th century. This time period in Italy is known as the Renaissance. The Renaissance was an exciting time as classical philosophy, literature and art were rediscovered and encouraged. In this time period, Da Vinci was able to follow his passions and was active as a painter, engineer, scientist, sculptor, theorist, and architect. Da Vinci is well known as an artist. His painting of Mona Lisa is particularly famous. Da Vinci also spent a lot of his time exploring science and technology. He filled books with detailed sketches and notes outlining his ideas and inventions. One of Da Vinci's designs is of an armoured tank. The tank shell would protect 8 men inside. 4 men would fire cannons through small holes in the shell. The other 4 men would turn cranks to make the wheels move. Da Vinci's design shows the wheels moving in opposite directions, and therefore his design would not work. Some believe this is a deliberate mistake, as Da Vinci was a peaceful man who did not believe in warfare. Another of his designs was of a giant crossbow. Italian armies used cannon at this time, but they were very heavy to move and expensive. Da Vinci's giant crossbow had a lightweight frame which could be moved more easily. His design also used interlocking layers of wood, which today we know as laminated wood. This would allow for more flexibility in the tension of the drawstring. His design shows only one man operating the crossbow, which would appear unrealistic as this would be extremely exhausting work. The aerial screw is only one of Da Vinci's designs based on flying. The aerial screw shows a thick blade wound around a central beam. The idea was that this would then be released, propelling the machine upwards. Although the machine would be too heavy to fly, this design would later inspire the invention of helicopters in the 20th century. Da Vinci was fascinated by the idea of flying and would spend hours drawing birds and insects, observing how they could fly. Other flying designs include a number of gliders. This design is not dissimilar to a hang glider, which is flown today. Da Vinci used his imagination and creativity to design a number of inventions which at the time seemed impossible. For your hands-on activity, use your imagination to create your own flying machine. For more information about this activity and more activities related to flying, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, Flying Machines. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!